This presentation is going to be talking about learning theories related to instructional technology and design. The first one is constructivism. It was developed by Vygotsky and Piaget, with later contributions made by Dewey and Bruner. This first learning theory is an active process where knowledge is constructed rather than acquired. The second one is cognitive load theory, which was developed by John Sweller. This theory focuses on the role of memory and schemas, and in the absence, instructional design principles are applied. Key concepts include the three kinds of cognitive loads: extraneous, intrinsic, and germane, which are related to working memory. The third theory is multimedia theory, which was created by Mayer. This learning theory is based on three main assumptions that there are two main channels for processing information: auditory and visual. There's limited channel capacity for information intake, and learning is an active process of filtering, selecting, organizing, and integrating information. The third theory is e-learning theory, which was developed by Mayer, Sweller, and Moreno. This theory says that separate channels of working memory are applied, processing auditory and visual information during any lesson in a given instructional environment.